In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the power of ChatGPT and plug that into your sales funnel for amazing sales copy to help you to sell your products and services on a much higher level. My name is Joy Nicholson and welcome back to this channel. This channel is about helping you not just to scale your business, but also your mindset and your habits. So let's dive into that. How do you actually use ChatGPT to fill your funnel? Now, before I dive into that and before I share my screen with you to show you, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and also check the description below because I always have something for free that you can download that will help you in your business. So before I get into more details, if you're not sure what a sales funnel is, I've got another video below on that. I'm not going to get into the details. So let's dive into this and let me share my screen with you and show you the power of ChatGPT. Now, I'm using ChatGPT 4. I've recently upgraded. It's $20 a month. But even if you do not have ChatGPT 4, even if you just do the normal one that is free, it actually still helps a lot. All right. So let's dive into this. The example I've chosen for today for this video is coaches. So I've been working with coaches for a while. It's a niche that I know very, very well. So let's dive into, I'm going to use mindset coach as an example. So this funnel is a mindset coach selling a course to people that is needing of the service that this mindset coach provides. So I already have a little prompt type just so we can get this going faster. So the services I provide as a mindset coach is to help business owners to be the best version of themselves. So then I'm just going to add, please provide me with sales funnel copy to sell this service. So this is very broad. So ChatGPT might not come out with like an amazing thing here, but I have not tested and trialed this one. So let's see what it gives us. So it's just going to say, attention, top of the funnel, headline, unlock your business potential, transform your mindset, transform your business. So that's pretty cool. And then, because we all know, and this is what my channel is about, I've been diving into the back end for businesses, having my podcast, Unleash Your Focus, to help people to unlock their focus. And a lot of that has to do with mindset, right? So this is a really good example of that. And then obviously interest, middle of the funnel. So it really breaks it down step by step. Desire, the bottom of the funnel. This is a very short funnel. Now, here's the thing. Some people, depending on what your niche is, you like to scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll. Other people, they just want like a little blurb on the funnel. I know the American market, they love to have sales funnels and they scroll and they see things and photos and all of that stuff. But it doesn't work for all the markets. Like also, I lived in New Zealand for 11 years. I know for a fact that those type of funnels, they don't do well in New Zealand. New Zealand wants a short version of something where they can click a button. So you really have to base your funnel on the type of people that you're serving. Again, this does come back by knowing your ideal client. So let's have a look, see what ChatGPT created here for us. So creating a complete sales funnel copy for your mindset and services. Here's a structured approach for your sales funnel. So attention, that's the top of the funnel. Headline, unlock your business potential. Now, I would also recommend you do change it up a little bit. What I would do if I was you, just type in something that how you would write, because you also have a writing style, but you also want to use ChatGPT to create that persuasive copy. All right. So type something in the way that you would write it. And then if you do a blurb about yourself on the sales funnel, then that's at least how you would talk and not some weird like computer voice. Okay. All right. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to stop sharing. Then I'm going to share again, and I'm going to go into the sales funnel side of things. So this is the software that I use. It's called GoHighLevel. I have an agency account, so that's where you see my own logo there. But this is a really great software. You've got everything that you need in here. You can do courses, sales funnels, all of those things. And it's just really amazing software all in all. So over here on the right-hand side, we're going to create a new funnel. There is so many templates that you can choose from. Look at that. It is ridiculous. It really is just ridiculous. So I'm going to go to coaches. And I'm going to use something simple. I don't want to go crazy. I want to keep it just a simple copy that people can click on. Okay, so let's just choose that one. And then just say, yes, that's fine, whatever it is. And then say yes. Simple sales. That's also something to just keep in mind. All right, you can see it's not very, it doesn't take very long. It takes quite fast to load. Now it's loaded it in. And obviously you can put your own color palette in on the left-hand side here, and you can, choose your colors, what it is. But I'm just going to stick with this for now. You can stick your logo up there. Now, also to keep in mind, there's something called a shop window. So the first part of your funnel, when they scroll, obviously this is like not part of it because you can see the top there. But when your funnel is live, the first part is this. So the shop window is where you really want to give them a call to action. That is very, very important. Okay. Okay, unlock your business potential. We're going to put that in there. Then we're going to go back to ChatGPT. There's a sub headline, and we're going to add that in. I'm not going to do the entire thing here because it's just too much, but there you can see that you could go like that. Then you have a sub headline, looks a little bit different. And then obviously you're going to, put all this copy in here. So introduction as a business owner, Again, I would recommend you do change it up a little bit. You don't want to sound just completely to, like a voice that is an AI person. And our bespoke mindset coaching program, if you're not going to use the bespoke in your business, use something different. You can say our comprehensive or our full suite or whatever you want to call it, right? But if there's words in here that you would not, it's not the way you speak, don't use them. And then obviously you line up the button, and I wouldn't say no thanks here already because it's just right on the top there. And then this leads to something. So this can either lead to a coaching call, which is a 20-minute free call, depending if you have a high ticket service. Maybe you're having a little mini course that people can get for free access to get to your higher ticket, depending on what you do. Maybe you just sell a membership for $100 a month. Then they can just join here, limited time only, founders member special. I'm not going to go into the marketing side of it. But then here on the left-hand side, you can see, or this side, this is the services that you provide. So you can say, okay, I only really have 2 services. There's personal career assessment and strategic career planning. That's it. Or maybe you want to say, okay, I don't have this as a service, so you can just delete that. So now you've got 2 things here. Again, you can make that smaller. On the left-hand side here, you would see it on the bottom. There's a thing that says width, and you just make that like that. And you can make that smaller, put it to the middle. I'm not going to give you sales funnel training on how to build a sales funnel out on GoHighLevel, but you can see once you get used to the system, it is actually very, very easy to use. And then that's what you do. That's it. And then you just build this out. You connect your buttons. You can create a sales funnel using ChatGPT. Once you know your client and once you have some photos ready, within literally an hour and a half to 2 hours. It is that simple. The background stuff becomes really tricky if you don't know your client. So know your client, understand who you're serving, and then it will be so easy for you to just build this out. I highly recommend it. I highly recommend GoHighLevel. It's what I use for myself and my clients for many years now. We have not regretted it. And then you can sell your course, you can do websites, you can even create a blog. It's all amazing. So there you guys go. Don't forget to download in the description. There's always something awesome to download. In this case, specifically for this video, I have a booklet or a playbook to show you how you can actually use ChatGPT to fuel your sales funnels. Anyway, thank you very much. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.